Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in entertainment sentiment, with a score of plus 0.58 and momentum hitting plus 0.56. What makes this particularly striking is that it surpasses the historical baseline by a significant margin, indicating an unexpected surge in public enthusiasm about entertainment topics. This could be a game changer for your app. Think about how you could leverage this data to enhance user engagement. For example, you could implement a feature that curates content based on this real-time sentiment, delivering trending shows or movies that people are currently excited about. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, including semantic clusters, to help you understand the nuances of the conversation. To dive deeper into building with this data, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.